Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure to log into your account by tapping on the login button at the bottom right corner and using your credentials or your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to turn off the notifications that you are receiving from the application, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You will now see the bell icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will see if any notifications are within the app. If you go back, underneath settings, you will find notifications. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can tap on the edit button alongside each kind of notifications and choose the off feature. If you don't wish to receive any email notifications, you can also unsubscribe from all offers and updates. If you tap on account, then you will see the email and push notification preferences as well. You can tap on the edit button and turn them off if you wish by simply tapping on each of these toggles. After choosing your desired notification preferences, simply go back to your account and your settings will be saved. And now you will not receive the notifications that you have turned off from the Airbnb application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.